Happy 40 years old. Hello guys, so we're here in Amsterdam and we're looking for the next lounge. We will be here for about 3 to 4 hours, so we need a place to chill for a little bit. Ma, excited na ba kayo? Mainit? Oo, mainit. Lounge 26. This is the Aspire Lounge. So it's October 25 here in Germany, but in Manila it's 12:30, which is October 26. So it's my birthday over there. So what are we doing today? Right now?
Eating hot dogs.
Eating hot dogs for my birthday. Welcome to Birmingham. Ayos ba biyahe?
Opo.
Long time no see. Picture. Dito kami sa Birmingham. Dito ako nag-celebrate birthday with the family. Thank you so much for atas kuya din.
Nakarating din.
Thank you so much for the food. Kare-kare, relleno, pansit, rice. Si mama, nauna na. Tayo na muna kami. Bye-bye. Day 1 here in Shrewsbury. And si Kuya, and si Ate Jing, and si Kuya. Oh, birthday ko pala. Si Pao, Julius, Kuya, and Mama. Excited na. Welcome to Shrewsbury. Someone's geeking out.
Ano na bag?
Fresh fish and chips. Sarap ba, Ma?
You're 40.
Happy 40 years old.
Yay! Yeah, pwede na lang slice it.
Day 2.
Shrewsbury to London.
How long is the drive? Yeah.
It's gonna take us about 3 hours if the traffic is good. So, crossing our fingers.
And the weather today is good. Look at that. Sunny. So here's an interesting sight. As you can see in the background, that bridge right there is the first iron bridge in the world. Going to see the 9 3/4. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay, short break. So we're here at King's Cross to get a photo of this. If you watch Harry Potter, that's the platform 9 3/4. And look at the line.
Nandito ko pa rin.
Mama, gusto ang tawain naman. Ano yung gusto mo dito? Yung mga gusto mo so far?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut? We're going to Abbey Road Studio.
Yeah, we're gonna show how the Beatles how to play right. Not play music. We're gonna teach them how to play tong its.
So this is the famous Abbey Road, and as you can see, there's a lot of people taking photos of themselves. So that pose or the Beatles are walking. There you go, look at them. Okay, so this is the plan. This is the shot. Good. Let's eat. Hello, boss.
Bonjour. There must be more than this provincial life.